law states that an object in motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. This ball ends in an object. When I put it down, it's at rest. But when my foot kicks it, it's the unbalanced force, and it makes it go.
Instantaneous speed is a measured speed at any given moment at any given time. So if I was to run constantly 10 miles per hour for 15 yards, then at any given moment, since I'm going constantly 10 miles per hour, my instantaneous speed would be 10 miles per hour.
Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
In football, when you're rushing across the field to gain yards, you're pushing on the ground, but the ground is also pushing on you. The ground and you are applying the same amount of force on each other, but in opposite direction.
Parabola is the curved path an object makes when it's moving through the air. When Alex threw the football, it had a large curve in its path. That's the graph.
Newton's second law states the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. Alex is smaller, so he moves faster down the hallway to get to the end zones.
The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, only can be transferred. I put in 100 joules of work into catching the ball, and when I was at my peak, my gravitational potential energy was at 100, and everything else was at 0. And right before I jumped, my elastic potential energy was also at 100. And while I was moving, it added up while I was going. So, yeah.
Acceleration is when velocity changes over time. Speeding up, slowing down, or changing directions can change acceleration. When a running back has the ball, they have to run around other players to gain as many yards as they can. They accelerate almost the entire time.
Projectile motion is when an object is moving through the air with no forces acting on it. When the ball is thrown through the air, it becomes a projectile because there are no other forces acting upon it.
Speeding up, slowing down, or changing directions can